Today, I'm going to show you how to create a PDF destination link using Adobe Acrobat Pro. This is incredibly useful when you want to create clickable navigation within your PDF documents, allowing readers to jump directly to specific pages or sections with a single click. First, open Adobe Acrobat Pro on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main interface where you can access all your PDF files and tools. Next, navigate to Recent Files and select the PDF document where you want to create the destination link. This will open your file in the main workspace, ready for editing. Make sure you've selected the correct document before proceeding to the next step. Now look at the upper left toolbar and click on Edit. This action will activate the editing mode for your PDF, giving you access to various tools that allow you to modify and enhance your document. Once you're in edit mode, direct your attention to the left panel and click on View More. This will expand additional options that aren't immediately visible in the default toolbar view, providing you with more specialized editing features. In the left sidebar, click on Link, then select Add or Edit a Link. This is the core feature we'll be using to create our destination link. You'll notice your cursor changes, indicating you're now in link creation mode. Now comes the important part. Draw a rectangle over the word or area you want to turn into a clickable link. Be precise with your selection to ensure the link covers exactly what you want users to click on. You can always adjust the size later if needed. After drawing your rectangle, navigate to Link Type and click the drop-down menu beside it. From the options presented, choose Invisible Rectangle. This ensures your link won't have a visible border, keeping your document looking clean and professional. Next, navigate to Link Action and click Go to a Page View. This option allows you to specify exactly where in the document the link will take your readers when they click it. Click Next to proceed to the destination selection. You'll now have the ability to navigate through your document to find the exact page you want to link to. Scroll down through your document to locate the page you want to set as the destination for your link. Take your time to find the right page, as this is where users will be directed when they click the link. Once you've found it, click Set Link to confirm your selection. Now it's time to test whether your link is working properly. In the upper left corner, click the X button to exit the edit options. This will return you to the normal viewing mode of your PDF. To verify the link is functioning correctly, click on the word or area where you created the rectangle earlier. If everything is set up properly, you should be instantly taken to the destination page you specified. This is an important quality check before finalizing your document. Finally, once you've confirmed the link works as intended, look to the upper right corner and click the Save button. This will preserve all the changes you've made, including your newly created destination link. And that's it. You've successfully created a PDF destination link using Adobe Acrobat Pro, making your document more interactive and user-friendly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.